Good morning, children. I welcome you for the today's session 28. Today, the date is 28/10/2020, and subject we are discussing is science. In the science, we are continuing with the lesson 3 reproduction in animals. Okay, reproduction in animals. In that, we are discussing about animals that lay eggs. Then, in that, fishes, reptiles, and insects. Last class we have discussed how the animals give birth to young ones. This class we are discussing about animals reproduce by laying eggs. In that, fishes, reptiles, and insects. Shall we start, children? Fishes. Fishes lay eggs in water. The eggs of fish are called spawn. Okay, how the fishes will lay eggs in a water. Okay, the thousands of eggs they lay in a water. In that, very hundreds of eggs will survive. Other eggs may eaten by the fishes. Okay, other fishes. Okay, this will open up into a small baby fish. Okay, the fishes give birth by laying eggs. Then reptiles. Are snakes, turtles, lizards, and this one crocodiles. This all we'll call as a reptiles, and these reptiles lay their eggs on the ground. Okay, these fishes lay eggs in the water, but reptiles lay their eggs on the ground, like snakes and all, crocodile and all, they lay eggs on the ground. Their eggs are protected by the shell. Okay, their eggs are protected by the shell. The eggs are warmed by the heat of the sun. Without a warming egg, the baby will not come out. They'll get heat from the sun itself. Then these reptiles will not take care of babies. Okay, they'll not take care much about the babies, because this one, animals which give birth to young ones, these will take care most. Even domestic animals will take care about the animals, but reptiles will not take care about their babies. Now, frogs also lay eggs. Okay, they shed their eggs in a water and in a safe places, children. The reptiles will lay egg on the ground itself and it will open up there itself. But in terms of frogs, they lay eggs and they'll shed in the eggs in the water. Okay, they'll shed eggs in the water in a safe places. Andre eggs what ನೀರಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು this one frog. Okay, and take care of their babies for some time. I said these reptiles will not take care of our babies, but this one frogs do take care of babies only for some time. And how the frogs will hatch, the eggs will hatch, we'll see. The frogs eggs hatch into tadpole. Okay, directly the small baby of frog will not come out. Okay, the stage, egg hatch into the tadpole, a small tail like structure. You can observe, no, that is what called the tadpole. These tadpoles are then grow into a frog. Okay, children, the frog egg, tadpole will come out from the egg then grow, this one tadpole then grow up into a baby frog, into a big one. Understood, children? Egg into a tadpole, tadpole into a frog, this one baby frog to a big frog. Now, insects, we have seen the reptiles. Okay, now how about the small insects, how they will reproduce? And there are all the insects also develop from the eggs itself. Okay, insects such as grasshopper and cockroach pass through three stages in their life. Okay, directly we will not get the cockroach itself from the eggs. Okay, there are three stages. We will discuss that: eggs, nymph, and adult cockroach. There are three stages. The baby comes out from the egg is called nymph. Okay, the small baby comes out from the egg called as a nymph. Then this nymph almost very much similar to the cockroach. You can observe all will be almost grown as a cockroach itself. Okay, these legs, the skin almost looks like a cockroach. Okay, then nymph share the skin. The process by which baby insects share their skin before they grow into adults is called molting. 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 Okay, and shade ಅಂದ್ರೆ skin charm, it will remove its skin by going this one into a cockroach. Okay, its in between the growth, it will shed a skin a many time, and this process is called molting. After several mounting means after several time removing its skin, this nymph will become adult cockroach. Okay, nymph, egg, and egg, nymph, and adult cockroach. Next, life cycle of few more insects I will tell you. Life cycle of housefly and the butterfly, for their silk form also included. Okay, this before we have said about cockroach, it includes a three stages, but butterfly includes four stages. The young ones hatch from the eggs are different. Okay, I said there in terms of the first one we have discussed, in that whatever the baby egg, this in the cockroach, it come out from the egg almost similar to the cockroach, but in terms of housefly and butterfly, it is baby coming out from the egg is different from the butterfly. It almost looks like a worm. Okay, ula ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, it almost look like the worm, and it is called as a larva stage. What we will call larva stage, LARVA, larva stage of butterfly. The larva stage of housefly is called maggot, and butterfly is called caterpillar. Okay, butterfly is called a caterpillar, housefly is called a maggot. Larva stage means the worm stage, it is called as a maggot and a caterpillar. Then the growing stage of larva called a pupa. Then this worm will grow into a grows slowly, okay, rapidly into a pupa. Pupa stage, little it is having a wings. You can observe children. Pupa, PUPA, pupa stage. Sometimes, uh, sometimes it covers inside the cocoon. This pupa stage, the worm will covers inside the cocoon. This you can observe in a silkworm. Okay, it will cover inside the cocoon. Later, it will comes out as a adult insect. Okay, even the silkworm also comes out from the this one. This is butterfly stage. This one silkworm is butterfly stage. So if we open up the cocoon, the butterfly will comes. There are four stages: eggs, caterpillar, pupa, then butterfly. Okay, children, understood? Four stages. Okay, here is the end of this lesson, children. We'll see in the next class other lesson. Thank you, children.